Good day, everyone. Learn how to remove virus from any Android phone safely. And this tutorial is very easy and everyone can follow it without any hassle. So, firstly, we need to open the Google Play Store, and at the top right corner where you see your profile icon, click on that and then scroll down and click on Play Protect. Now, to remove harmful apps or any virus, if you think, you can simply click on Scan, and Play Protect regularly checks your app and device for harmful behavior. And the best part is it doesn't take much time. So it will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds to scan the whole phone, and it will let you know if there is any harmful app there in your phone. Once you are done with this, you can uninstall those apps and take a look in your apps. Look for any unknown app, and if you do not want that, you just need to press and hold like this. I'll show you. Just and press and hold for 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds, and then click on uninstall. So in this manner, you can also free up space and remove virus from your phone, especially the Android phone. So please hit the like and subscribe if you find this tutorial short and helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.